Hi everyone, I am Dr. K. Rani, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. My subject name is Corporate Accounting and Regulation. My topic name is Issue of Debenture. What are debenture? Debenture are long-term security at companies issued to borrowed money from the public. They are essentially a type of loan taken by the company where the debenture holder are entitled to receive interest at a fixed rate over a specified period. At the end of this period, the principal amount of repaid to the debenture holder. Types of debenture. Convertible debenture. This can be converted into equity share after a specific period. Non-convertible debenture. This cannot be converted into shares and typically offer higher interest rate. Secured debenture. Backed by the company asset providing security to debenture. Unsecured debenture. Not backed by any collected, posing a high risk to investor. Process of issuing debenture. Board approval. The first step in raising debenture is obtaining approved from the company's board of directors. This involves presenting a detailed proposal outlining the purpose of the debenture issue, the amount to be raised and the term of the debenture. Drafting the debenture trust deed. A debenture trust deed is a legal document that outlines the term and condition of the debenture issue. It includes details such as the interest rate, repayment schedule, and right of the debenture holder. Regulatory companies. Companies must comply with the regulations set forth by financial authorities such as the Security and Exchange Commission or equivalent bodies in their jurisdiction. This may involve filing prospectus and obtaining necessary approval. Marketing and debenture. Once regulatory approval are in place, the company can market the debenture to potential investors. This may involve road show, presentation and engaging with financial institutions. Issuance and listing. After successful marketing the debenture, the company issues them to investors. If the debenture are to be trade policy, they may be listed on a stock exchange. Interest payment and redemption. The company is obligated to make regular interest payment to debenture holder and repay the principal amount at maturity. Advantage of issuing debenture. Fixed interest payment. Company can plan their financial better with fixed interest obligation. No duplication of control. Unlike equity financing, issuing debenture does not duplicate ownership or control of the company. The benefit of tax. Interest payment one debenture are tax deductible, reducing overall tax burden. Flexibility. Company can tailor the term of the debenture to meet their specific financing need. Disadvantage of issuing debenture. Debit obligation. Companies must ensure that can meet interest payment which can strain cash flow. Credit risk. If a company default on its debenture payment, it can negatively impact its credit rating and future borrowing capacity. Marketing fluctuation. The value of debenture can fluctuate based on market conditions affecting investors' settlement. Regulatory framework. The issue of debenture is governed by various law and regulation which may vary by jurisdiction. Key regulatory aspects include disclosure requirement. Companies must provide transparent information to potential investors including financial statement, risk factor. Approval process. Regulatory bodies often requires companies to obtain approval before issuing debenture. Reporting obligation. Companies must regularly report their financial status and any change in their obligation to debenture holder. Conclusion. Issuing debenture can be an effective way for companies to raise capital which maintaining control and benefit for tax deduction. However, it is essential to weigh and advantage against the potential risk and obligation. By understanding the process and regulatory framework, compliance can make informed decisioning that align with their financial strategies. Thank you.